am I? What? Oh. Breathe. What in the name of... Bro, where am I, bro? Alright. You know? Yeah, bro! 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 Bro, let me breathe! Let me breathe! Bro! What the hell? Where am I? Oh, right there. Bro, you breathe! Where? Who picked this map? Who that? Stop the bomb. Bomb. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. Oh. Where's my... There he is. Bro, it's the bitch. He's so annoying. Oh, -3, we're back. Stop, stop, Simon, stop. No! Oh my. What is it? Bro, I don't know how I made that work, but the bridge worked. It is very insane. Ready or not? You can't go in between fences. You can't. Wait. We're not gonna have for that. We don't have to have two sides. We really don't have to have two sides. I don't think that, can you go through fences in a boat? No, you can't. How am I gonna do like, it'll work. What? It's gonna work. It's gonna work, yes. It's gonna work, man. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. You got it. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. You just gotta believe. You gotta so you finish all of it, or like 90% of it? Not. Okay. So like the turn and everything. Wrong. What, the double chest? Oh, why can't we just make a dispenser and then have them pull back the boat on the other side? Bro. Oh, well, no, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, when we get to the other side, you put the dispenser so that we can reuse it. It's not that hard. You need cobblestone, bone. Why'd you put arrow? You're probably, I didn't have to have mine. That is crazy. But why is there a picture? You care about the And that's crazy. And that's crazy.